Hazrat Abu Musa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu states, my companion dispatched me to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam so as to request him for some mounts because they were accompanying him in the battle of Tabuk. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my companions have sent me to you in order to make a request for some mounts. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not give you mounts at all. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam was then angry and I was unaware of it. I got gloomy at the Prophet's refusal and thought, lest Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam should be annoyed with me. I returned to my companions and notified them what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. After a while, I heard Hazrat Bilal's voice, O Abdullah bin Qais. I said, yes. He said, go, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam is calling you. When I reached the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam, pointing towards 6 camels, said, take this pair, and take these camels to your companions. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam had just purchased those camels from Hazrat Sa'd radiyallahu anhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, tell your companions that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, or he said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has given you these mounts, ride them. Taking these mounts, I went back to my companions and said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has mounted you on these mounts, but I will not leave you unless someone of you accompanies me to those people who heard the reply of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on my request. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam at first refused, but later he sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted us these camels. You must not think that I have told you a hadith which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not utter. My companion said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we consider you a true person and we definitely fulfill your desire. Then Hazrat Abu Musa along with some of those companions went to those people who heard the refusal of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and then later witnessed his bestowal. They also narrated like Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4240.